Roman coin. Materials: Roman coin template, cereal or snack box, glue, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, pencil, copy paper, crayons. Optional materials: cardboard, black temper paint, paintbrush, foil, paper towels, paper plate. The Roman coin craft is inspired by the Roman coins in the Appleton Museum of Art's permanent collection. To make a Roman coin, draw a portrait in profile large enough to fit inside a dinner plate or print the Roman coin template. Cut the profile out and glue it onto the paperboard of a cereal or snack box. We used a folder for our paperboard. Cut the profile out of the paperboard. Cut out shapes from paperboard or cardboard. Cut out a triangle for the eye, a backwards letter C for the ear, and wavy strips for the hair. Glue the shapes onto the profile. Using a dinner-sized plate or paper plate as a template, trace a circle onto paperboard. Cut the circle out. Cut out strips of cardboard or paperboard and glue to the back of the profile. Then glue the profile in the center of the paperboard circle. The strips on the back of the profile should raise the profile slightly above the circle background. Glue down the wavy strips of paperboard for the hair. Letters and numbers can also be cut out of the paperboard. You could include the current year, your initials, or even Roman numerals on your coin. Once you cut the letters and numbers out, glue them onto your coin. When you are finished making your coin and the glue has dried, place a piece of paper on top of your coin. Rub a crayon sideways across your coin. This creates a rubbing of your coin. Another option is to completely cover the coin with one piece of foil and flatten it down. Fold the extra foil to the back of the coin. Trim the foil down if needed. Press the foil down so the outline of the glued pieces of paperboard are noticeable. Brush a thin layer of black tempera paint all over the coin. Lay a paper towel across the paint-covered coin and gently rub some of the paint off. Rub off any additional paint as needed. Let the paint fully dry. Now you have a Roman coin. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.